Hi everyone, I've been inspired to do a little video for you on my first day here in Brazil, where I'm going to be kite surfing for a bit and working, and yeah, living the dream and not feeling guilty about it. Still going to be here and writing loads and supporting my group coaching clients and my private clients. Anyway, something just came to my mind when I was out on the water earlier today, because I've not kite surfed for about, 3 years, and something came to my mind that I just was busting to share with everyone. I wanted to do a Facebook Live, but the internet's really bad, so I decided to film a video, and the topic is the on-ramp, because this is like a metaphor that I think can be applied to anything, like particularly with health and fitness, because that's what we're talking about. But it's the idea of getting past all the head chat that stops us from taking action. So earlier today, I hadn't kite surfed for 3 years, as I said, and I was on the water with my feet in the water, thinking, is it a good idea to go today? I mean, I've not been for 3 years. I don't really know anyone here. Something can go wrong. Am I confident enough to go out there on my own when I don't really know anyone? What happens if I get swept away and end up in a different country? All this weird stuff went through my head. And then I just thought, Neil, get a grip. You know how to kite surf, and you'll be fine. Just take it easy, don't go silly. And I started focusing on the vision of how I feel when I'm out on the water. So I decided to get past all the head chat. Oh, also, there's the admin of setting up the kite, blowing it up, inflating it, meaning not setting it on fire. And there's, making sure it's all working right. So there's a bit of admin involved. But the rewards are so massive. They are huge. And I was out there for an hour, absolutely in bliss. Complete bliss for an hour. I thought, how can I possibly, why would I even not allow this to happen? And I managed to get past my head chat, which is basically the ego trying to protect you. And I thought, this can be applied to everything. This can be applied to health and fitness, it can be applied to taking action on a new business idea. It can be applied to anything. It's the on-ramp, it's the idea of the on-ramp. Imagine how many times we think to ourselves, oh, shall I go to the gym, shall I, shan't I? If we think long enough, our brain will convince us not to go. We will rationalise ourselves out of going. So I think it's really worthwhile not allowing your brain to get to that stage where it's going to argue you out of doing something you know is going to feel amazing, and you're going to just feel incredible at the end of it. So I was out there on the water for an hour in this beautiful sunshine, skimming across the waves, wiped out a few times and I was fine. I got the board back and felt amazing. And all these ideas and insights came to me. Brilliant ideas that I'm going to implement this week in my work. There's so much happens when we're in a state of flow, disconnected from our phones and connected to nature, life, source, I don't know what you want to call it. And that's kind of optimal. When we're in a state of flow, we can kind of channel and be awesome, and we have all these insights and stuff. So anyway, I've gone on longer than 3 minutes. I want to keep it to a maximum of 3. There's my little thought for the day. I'm going to post this tomorrow. I'm about to jump on a 4-hour journey in a buggy, which is going to drive over sand dunes to get me to my next resort. Yeah, here's my sunset. Come buckle. I'm about to go to Jericho. Until next time.